Hi everyone, Frank again for Study English with Us, and today we're going to talk about the early bird that gets the worm, another idiom in English. Let's get started. Have you ever heard this expression? The early bird gets the worm. Well, what it basically means is that the first person to a location or work or school or to an opportunity of some kind is going to be the one that gets the best opportunities available. There's a big sale happening at the store tomorrow. If you want to get them before they're all gone, you should get there early, is basically what it's saying. The early bird gets the worm. And I think we can see where the expression comes from. You've probably noticed that the birds that are there in the early morning, when the dew is still fresh on the ground, and the worms are close to the surface and maybe even out of the surface, enjoying the wetness of that fresh morning dew. When the bird comes early, they're more likely to get the worm. If they sleep in and they don't get there till 10 o'clock, there might not be any worms left. The early bird gets the worm. And it may be true even at your workplace. The person who comes in early might get the best opportunity, the best pick of the tasks for the day. And so in many parts of your life, you can probably use this expression, the early bird gets the worm. The person who is up the earliest is the most eager. The person who is the most ready to go early is going to be the one that gets the best opportunities. The early bird gets the worm. Would you like to repeat it after me? The early bird gets the worm. The early bird gets the worm. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure and give us a like, share with your friends, and if you haven't done so yet, we really invite you to subscribe for more lessons like this on our YouTube channel, Study English with Us, and on Facebook. We would love it if you came by and followed us on Facebook so that you can see these lessons on idioms there as well. Until next time, this is Frank saying farewell for Study English with Us.